Welcome to AI Academy, where learning AI finally feels simple, practical, and built for real life. Hello everyone, this is Arthur from AI Academy. Most people want to use AI to work smarter, earn more, and stay ahead. But they get lost in a maze of scattered tutorials, complicated jargon, and hype that never translates into real results. AI Academy exists to change that. Here we turn AI from something overwhelming into something actionable. We give you a clear, structured path, not a pile of disconnected videos. We teach you the why and the how, but more importantly, we show you exactly what to do. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or working a regular job, AI Academy is your friendly guide to using AI in a way that actually moves your life forward, step by step. No confusion, no guesswork. You'll learn through clear lessons, practical examples, and easy-to-follow workflows designed to save you time, unlock new opportunities, and help you get real results. Not someday, but today. And as AI evolves, you won't be left behind. We keep you ahead of the curve with updates that matter, tools that work, and insights that cut through the noise so you can focus on what actually helps you grow. AI Academy isn't just about mastering technology. It's about unlocking a version of yourself that's more capable, more confident, and more future-ready than ever before. If you're ready to stop watching and start transforming, welcome. This is AI Academy and hope to see you in one of our learning programs soon. Let's build your future, one step at a time. See you soon.